Goldie Knickers time.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Indy. Ready? Righty-o, release the chickens. Yeah, it is. Nation Mittler's Cove. Ooh. Ta-da! How is it?
Pretty comfy, actually.
Oh, snap. Morning time. No whales. Not much of a productive day yesterday. Made a couch. That's about it. Haven't even caught a squid, so we can't even catch any whiting. That one down there though. So lucky we bought some tuna, so I can do some preserved tuna. Hey Indy, preserve some tuna that we caught last time? Secret recipe. Better doing it out here than stinking out the kitchen at home. One. Step one. Salt water. Bring to the boil. First blood, we've got some bait. We're on now. I tell you what, we're on. We're on. All right, once you bring it to the boil, close enough to the boil, get your A-grade sashimi tuna. Hot ring. 3 hours, three hours boiling time. Let's bring it back to the boil and we'll turn it back to a slow boil. 3 hours. Write it down. You do not want to cook this in your kitchen. Do you? The stench. Oh. Moment of truth. Is there whiting down there? Where is it? A red mullet! Alright, I know I said 3 hours, but it's been 2 hours and I can't see the difference between keeping it in there for 3 hours or 2 hours. So, we're gonna go to step 2. Right, let's remove it and drain it. Tools for the trade. Oh, smelling delicious. Dip it over mum's new couch. Alright, that's what she looks like. That little flavour might bring some fish around. So I would have rushed for no reason. Come here. Next step, sterilize. Boiling. Hot. Sterilisation process is the most important part of the job, I think. I've heard, isn't that right?
Yes, so.
We both guess so. Yeah, if you're going to preserve stuff, I suppose you need to keep the germs out, I'm guessing.
Have to do that.
Ingredient time. You put a little bit in 4 of them, please. Thank you very much. Olive oil, chili, garlic, chili oil. Here we go. This goes in that goes in this. Just put a whole lot, like one of these big bit.
That.
Yep, that one's good. Jam it.
You don't chop it up?
Oh, I'm breaking it up. Hey, there we go.
Did you wash your hands?
Sure did.
Hey, darling.
Next step, chili for the chili lovers. This one's yours, Mackie. Chili oil. Woo. Look at that, delish. Bad luck, boy. I know how spicy this will be, but it doesn't matter because I love it. 1/4 of a bottle. Do you like garlic or just plain? I'm going to have a bit of garlic in mine too, mister. Good thing about working out in a boat. Keeps shit everywhere. Last but not least, the main ingredient.
Yeah.
Old mate olive oil.
Look where I am. How'd you get up there?
Oh, shivers. Fill it all the way to the top. Add the lids. The easiest part, putting the lids back on.
Yeah. Yeah.
After lids on, back in. Further half an hour, but my impatience will probably only do 15 minutes. See how the lids are just above the water. That's what you want, apparently. I'm just gonna maybe put a couple in, just like that, just to, I don't know, just for fun. Half an hour to be exact, 15 minutes, if you do it my way. Pull it in! Is it a tuna?
It's too heavy.
Go in there, go in there! Oh, you got it, pull it in now, lift it up, swing it to Dad, swing it to me.
Woohoo!
Not into that rod.
Fine.
Woo! Tommy Ruffle! And product, if you think about eating it, you gotta wait another month. It's gotta sit there for another month before you can try it. So we'll be back in a month. Mum. Unbelievable, I don't know why that is, but I'm going by the rule book. Do not deviate. Eat it now, but that's why you put it preserving. To not eat now, for later, I'm guessing. So just take in the view, sit back and relax. 28 days to go. Next destination. Not enough fish or squid here for my liking. Nice little cove though. Probably going to be shit ass weather everywhere else. Probably the wrong choice. Kids and wife is thrilled. Who wants to go to an island?
Is it safe?
Yeah, man. It's pretty good over there. It's nice and calm. No wind. Flying Ranger! My family! Want to wait for us to be calmer. Not even that bad.
It's been a while since I've done the GoPro. Look at my abalone. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, get it, Mackie!
Trying to spin him out like fairy grass.
Berries.
Don't stand on them. You squish one.
Okay, I need to show you something really cool. The biggest shell ever.
Really awesome, isn't it?
Yeah. What's up there?
You gotta view the ocean on this one.
Lucky.
Yeah! On top of Birdshit Mountain! Oh, it's on your hand.
I'm gonna do a poo on Birdshit Mountain.
Oh, don't tell Mum that.
With the rubber ducky. That's motor. Hey, hold it to boat. There's a rubber ducky. Rubber ducky, yeah. Oh, it's so nice here.
Beautiful.
Tinnies all around, eh?
Yes. A cell tower.
Oh, looks pretty good. Magnificent even. Look at that. Oh man, high five. Woo! I wish that was a cake. If that was a cake, I'd eat it. Oh, goddamn GoPro went for a dip. Refreshing.
They're behind us. How's the coldness going?
Oh, bloody breathing. Wherever marking the stick mark. Ooh la la. Squid, fresh tucker. The amount of time. That means it's time for a wine. Love cooking out outdoors. Like so much much mess, it's not funny. You can squirt it all down after. Oh yeah, that's thick. Thick and good. You gotta be shitting me. Trying to redo the battery because it's stuffed up and the bloody thing fell in there. God damn it. Alright, so what I was going to do is say a little bit of curry powder gives it a little, oh shit, a little bit of colour. That's probably too much, that's probably way too much. Now the kids aren't probably going to eat it. And wife's going to get angry again. Still going right now. Oh, mate. Look at that. Perfect squid ring. Oh yeah, probably the only good thing that our Great Northern's for. Does make a good beer better. So it's been 2 days since we jarred it up. I know I said you had to leave it for 1 month, but just couldn't resist. Double thumbs up. Leave a note in the comments if you think this is going to make me violently ill.